Good morning, students. Political Science, Chapter 3, Election and Representation. Today, Topic 5, Proportional Representation. In last topic, we discussed about the one election method, that is FPTP system, first past the post system. In India, we also adopt the FPTP system. The second method, which is used in the different countries of the world, that is PR system, proportional representation system of election. Majorly, there are two variations. It could be three, but mainly in the countries, two variations are used for the elections. First of all, we will discuss about the first variation. The first variation is used in mainly in the countries like Israel and Netherlands. In the first variation of the PR system, the entire country is treated as one constituency, and seats are allocated to each party according to its share of votes in the national election. जो भी हर पार्टी का शेयर होता है आफ्टर इलेक्शंस, जितनी पार्टी को वोट परसेंटेज मिली है उसके प्रोपोर्शन में हर पार्टी को सीट्स एलोकेट कर दी जाती है. Each party fill its quota of seats by picking those many of its nominees from a preference list that has been declared before the elections. Before the elections, each party from the every constituency for entire constituency for the entire country prepare a preference list after getting the quota of seats after elections as in the proportion of वोट्स. जितनी वोट्स आती हैं उतने परसेंटेज में पार्टीज को सीट मिल जाती हैं. फिर पार्टी ने जो पहले से प्रेफरेंस लिस्ट प्रिपेयर की है उनमें से पार्टी जो जितनी सीट उसे कोटा मिला है उससे पार्टी फिल करती है. मेनली दिस सिस्टम ऑफ इलेक्शन इज कॉल्ड द प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन सिस्टम, PR system. And in this system, party get the same proportion of seat as in the proportion of votes. Mainly, as I told that it is followed in Israel and Netherlands. We will discuss about the Israel. The election to the legislature, that is known as Knesset in Israel. Elections are take place after every 4 years. The tenure for the legislature of the Israel is 4 years. Israel follow the proportional representation system of election, and the election they follow the first variation. Mainly parties declare a list of its candidates. They prepare the list of their preference candidates. Then voters vote for the party, not for the candidates. In the election, like in India, we vote for the candidate also, but in the PR system, voters vote for only the party, not for candidates. After the election, a party gets seats in the legislature in proportion to the votes polled by it. This allows even smaller parties with smaller support base to get representation in the legislature. इसका बेनिफिट स्मॉलर पार्टीज को इसका बहुत बेनिफिट होता है. इसकी वजह से जो छोटी पार्टीज है उन्हें भी की वोट परसेंटेज की वजह से कुछ सीट्स उन्हें मिल जाती हैं. बट देयर इज एलिजिबिलिटी टू गेट अ सीट, एटलीस्ट वन सीट गेन करने के लिए लेजिस्लेचर के अंदर मिनिमम 1.5% वोट मिलना जरूरी है. उससे ज्यादा उसके प्रोपोर्शन में वोट्स मिलती हैं. So smaller parties also getting some seats in this system. So oftenly multi-party coalition governments are formed in the first variation of the PR system. Now we'll discuss about the second variation of the PR. The second variation of PR is followed in the countries like Argentina and Portugal. The entire country is divided into several multi-member constituencies. In first variation, entire country is treated as the one constituency, but in the second variation, the country is divided into several multi-member constituencies. Each party prepared a list of the candidates for each constituency depending on how many have to be elected from that constituencies. एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी से मोर देन वन कैंडिडेट्स भी इलेक्ट हो सकते हैं. हर पार्टी अपनी लिस्ट प्रिपेयर करती है और ये डिपेंड करता है कि किस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी से कितने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इलेक्ट होंगे, ये उस पर डिपेंड करता है. उसके बेसिस के अकॉर्डिंग ही हर पार्टी अपनी लिस्ट प्रिपेयर करती है. सो we can say that in both variations, in first and second variation, voter exercise their preference for a party, not a candidate. First thing. Second thing, the seats in constituency are distributed on the basis of votes polled by a party. And third, representative from a constituency would do belong to different parties. In first constituency, in one constituency, there may be more than one representative and they may be belong to different parties. Now we'll discuss about the India. क्या इंडिया में भी पीआर सिस्टम यूज होता है? मेनली हम डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. जहाँ भी हमारे डायरेक्ट इलेक्शंस होते हैं, चाहे वो लोकसभा इलेक्शंस हो, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के विधानसभा इलेक्शंस हो, लोकल गवर्नमेंट इलेक्शंस के अंदर हम एफपीटीवी सिस्टम यूज करते हैं. बट इन इंडिया ऑल्सो वी हैव अडॉप्टेड पीआर सिस्टम ऑन ए लिमिटेड स्केल. दैट इज थर्ड वेरिएशन. इंडिया में जो वेरिएशन हम यूज करते हैं पीआर, दैट इज थर्ड वेरिएशन. इट इज ए वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स वेरिएशन. इट इज adopted by the Indian Constitution, but mainly be used for the indirect elections in PR system in India and at very limited scale. In India, it is used for the elections for the president, vice president, member of Rajya Sabha, member of Vidhan Parishad. To elect the member of Vidhan Parishad and Rajya Sabha and to elect the vice president of the Indian president, we use the third variation of PR system, proportional representation system, that is adopted by Indian Constitution, but mainly we use them for the indirect election in India. That's all for today, students.